In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your domain on Porkbun. Now you can sell it for a fixed price. You can also put it up for auction, and I'm going to cover all of that in this video. So once you're on Porkbun, go ahead and go to your account, then go to domain management. Here you'll see all of the domains that you've currently got. I've just got knowledgebasetutorial.com. And if I wanted to sell this, for example, I would go to market, and it's this $ icon next to the domain. That will give me two options. Now I can sell on marketplace or I can sell on auction, and I'm going to show you where both of these are and how you would find these in a second. Now let's say I wanted to sell on marketplace. We click sell on marketplace. You would then put a buy now price. So I'll just put something ridiculous like $1,000. You can put between $20 and $100,000. Now you need to understand that when a domain is bought, Porkbun will charge you a 7% flat fee, and they will automatically transfer the domain. So bear that in mind. Now you can go ahead and enable the parking page, and what this will do is it will let people know that the domain is for sale when they go to it. This is probably going to work good if you've got a common domain or like a brandable domain, which a lot of people might type in. Now, how do you want your domain to display? Now, if you've got a multi-word domain, you can go ahead and choose how you want it displayed on the parking page. You can choose uppercase and lowercase characters. You can also add a contact form which allows people to message you, and this will go into your Porkbun account. And then you've got a sales blurb which generates a blurb with ChatGPT. I wouldn't really enable this. I just enable these two. And here you've got a minimum offer. So let's say I wanted to take 500. We could submit this and list the domain for sale. You must verify your phone number first. So I would have to go ahead and do that. Now, you can also list it for sale on the auction. And if you click sell domain on auction, you've got here your starting price, you've got the auction time, and then people are going to be able to bid for your domain. Now, where are they going to be able to see your domain? So if you go to products, the first one is going to be the local marketplace. This is going to be where you set the buy now price, and there's going to be a lot of different domains for sale here. And then if you go to products and local auctions, here you'll see people selling their domains. And what you'll do is you'll see domains here with the time left counting down. So btc.com is available and people are bidding on that. The current bid is $350. You can go ahead and bid on those domains, and you can see other people's domains and give you a price of how much yours is worth. So that's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.